First order up, we got a Black Rock coffee. This is going to be $7.50 going 4 miles.
Thank you so much.
Sure.
Appreciate you.
Yep, no problem. Hand it to me, huh? We're starting off with this already. Morning.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You as well, thank you. It has been way too long since my last order, but finally got something. This is a stack going to the same person. We've got IHOP and Black Rock coffee. $11 going just under 4 miles. Thank you. So I checked their tablet walking in, as I always do, and this was the only order that they had. So I think that is very telling on how busy it's going to be today, or at least right now. Next order up, we've got a McDonald's. This one is going to be $7 and some change going 3.5 miles.
Hi.
Hello, for 33B. Thank you. Excuse me, are you allergic to nuts by any chance?
What?
Nuts?
No, I'm not.
No? I've got like these granola bars that I'm trying to get rid of. They have like almonds and other stuff.
Oh, okay.
Yeah? Okay, I'm gonna pull up and I'll give you some.
All right, very cool.
Yep.
Very cool. I appreciate that.
You have a good day. It says, please leave at door. Please don't knock or ring doorbell, please. You got it, please. Next order up, we're going to Gravity Coffee. $9.50 going 4 miles. Thank you.
Have a good one.
You too. And of course this is going to be a hand to customer, because why not just make my day? Just got the next order. This is going to be a shop and deliver for Safeway. $13 going 2.5 miles, 4 items. Don't see the chicken wings that they want. Are these still frozen, or are those somewhere else?
They'd be, you know, go down and talk to the butcher people, the meat.
Okay. Those don't look frozen,
If they're not there, knock on their door or poke your head.
All right, thank you. Oh my goodness. Didn't think I was gonna be that long, but they put away my soups. We are going back to Gravity Coffee. This one's going to be $8.25, going 2.5 miles.
Have a good one.
Thank you, too. Just got the next order. It's going to be a stacked Starbucks. I believe it said $8 going about 3 miles. Individually, those are not good orders, but stacked together and low mileage, I'll take it.
Perfect. There
Thank
you
you.
go.
Oh my God. So glad they put a sticker on that cup. Oh! Oh my God. Okay, I get it. I get it. I get it. Hello. Not too bad.
Thank you.
Have a good one. I think I'm just gonna call it here, to be honest. Current time is 10:53. Current total is 68, and I think I have one Uber tip yet to come in, so probably like 75-ish. Anyways, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.